Hey everybody, Anthony here, SpecialtyMotorcars.net. Got a real nice one to bring you this week. 1983 Buick Park Avenue. Some people call it the Electra Park Avenue, but this is the Park Avenue trim package, the 1983 ultra luxury in the Buick lineup. This is a beautiful 27,000 mile car. This car is in amazing driving condition. It's been fully gone through front to back. It's here on consignment from a good friend of mine who owns a service station and who went through this car from top to bottom. It's something you pump the gas once, you turn the key and it starts right up. This car was completely restored, brand new base coat, clear coat paint job at no expense spared. This car was stripped down, brought right down to metal, and painted with a base coat, clear coat in the original color. The car was unfortunately left outside for about 10 years of its life with the original owner's family, and that 10 years outside took a toll on the lacquer paint, and the ever so infamous checking effect happened to this car. The paint started checking, the vinyl top got a little decayed, the filler panels fell apart. So this car was stripped, all the chrome, every piece of chrome, every piece of trim on the outside was taken off. The car was stripped down to bare metal, and the car was brought back the original base coat, clear coat color. Brand new vinyl top was installed. All the trim painstakingly cleaned and put back on the car. Really well done. All new filler panels when the car was painted. The filler panels came out phenomenal. They fit great. Mechanically, car's been gone through. It's got all new brakes, all new tires, rebuilt drive shaft. The transmission, all the seals in the transmission were replaced. Air conditioning was completely retrofitted and blows ice cold. You can see by the water dripping out that the air in this car is ice cold. Full tune-up, plugs, wires, cap, you name it, all that stuff was all done. Really no expense spared on this car when this car was restored. And you can see the paint came out absolutely beautiful. It's like a root beer metallic color. If you know the correct color to this, please let me know in the comments. I would say maybe like a briarwood or some type of funny name like that, but if you know, let me know. You can see all the chrome is in phenomenal shape, nice deep gloss shine to it. All this stuff was removed and replaced. Got the original headlights, the original guide headlights. Guide. Another attribute to tell you this car is an original low mileage car. Brand new hand-cooked white walls. Original wire caps. I got the key for the wire caps in the car. Got Buick signature portholes on the fenders. Kind of cool. Both of these pillars light up. Park Avenue opera lights. Take a look at the top. Really well done. Original color. All the trim restored. Beautifully restored and reinstalled. The gentleman that owns this car, good friend of mine, he's super picky, super anal, drives me crazy sometimes, but this is the type of car that he has. This is the type of car that he likes, and he likes them well done. Instead of getting a new carburetor rebuilt, it's got a brand new carb in it, stuff like that. He doesn't spare any expense. Most of the time he gets in way over his head, but in that case, you can see here, you're getting a turnkey car. Take a look at the inside. This is actually kind of cool. Didn't even know these cars came with that. The thermometer gauge on the outside mirror there. You can see no rust. All the jams are clean. Door panels are in nice shape. All the chrome trim here is in nice shape. carpeting is all nice and original. Seats are beautiful. It does have one, you can see here, looks like it's singed through. The car doesn't smell like it was a smoker's car, but apparently at one point in its life, someone did drop and burned a hole in the seat there. Let's see here. Car is in amazing shape. It drives like a 27,000 mile car should drive. All the original carpeting, nice and clean. It does have the original headliner. There's a few impressions in the headliner, and it's just starting to kind of fail now. Jam here is nice and clean. Ice cold air. Another thing that my buddy is well known for is he likes sound systems. This car had an aftermarket head unit in it when he bought it. It did not have the original radio in it. Power passenger seat with power recliner. So the radio, entire radio system was replaced. It's got a brand new Bluetooth high output head unit, Bluetooth capable. Got a microphone right up on the top there. Subwoofer, small subwoofer built into the trunk. Amplifier, all new speakers. It really does sound amazing. I'm not much of a sound radio type of guy, but I know what these things usually sound like, and this sounds nothing like the factory Delco sound systems that these things had. The concert sound system. I think one of these buttons here, yeah, Alpine. This push button screen here for the climate control works perfect. Nice cool air coming through here. You can see 27,000 original miles. Dashboard's in nice shape. Very minor warping by the defroster vents. And a couple little cracks in the steering wheel here. Nothing major. We'll pop the trunk here. Somewhere in there is the trunk key. Got the hubcap key and stuff in the trunk. And I'll take a look under the hood. The original floor mats, all four of them. You can see on the driver's side, there's not even a heel mark. Again, another attribute to a 27,000 mile car. So it's got a built-in sub here. It sounds great. Alpine amplifier. Got the original radio equipment in here. The blown out speakers. They're pretty much useless, but they come with the car. Car cover as well included. Take a quick peek under the hood. I will take it for a drive. Look at the paint. Unbelievable. Look at that. Got the fiber optic lamp monitor system. Old 307. Runs smooth, quiet. You can see here the condensation. This thing's pumping air right inside the cabin. It's very clean under here. Car starts right up. It's got all new plugs and wires. Full tune-up done. New vacuum lines. Really, probably overly done considering, but that's how my buddy Mike is, and he doesn't know when to stop. We'll pop my plate in the back window here. Where are you, plate? There you are. We'll put the plate in the window and we take it for a spin. already running. Alright, let me plug my phone in. Get this thing charging. It's saying it's going to die. In the meantime, I'll let you all know who I am. My name is Anthony. I am the owner here at Specialty Motor Cars. If this is your first video you're tuning into, definitely take a look at my other videos and subscribe to my channel. Like my video here and let me know what you think about this car. Take a look at some of my other cars I've sold, and you can get a good idea of the taste of vehicles that I like to deal with. And definitely take a look at my website if you have some time too. It's specialtymotorcars.net. And my name's Anthony. My phone number is 978-930-1004. But back to the Buick real quick before I let you go. We're cruising down the road here, doing about 40 miles an hour. Smooth, quiet. Air is pumping very nicely. No lights on the dash here, nothing crazy going on. The power antenna did just fail. This just happened last week. The mast needs to be replaced. Kind of a common thing with these GMs. But you can see here this car just cruises down the road very nicely. Anyways, I appreciate you watching. Thank you for giving me your time. Hopefully everybody's having a great day. Any questions, let me know. My name is Anthony, and hopefully we can help you get a dream of yours in your driveway. And if that's this Buick Park Avenue, let me know. My number is 978-930-1004. Thanks.